Hey everyone, I don't know how many of you guys know this, but for the last 25 years, I've been designing and building and fabricating all kinds of stuff. And it's my mission now to pass on the knowledge I've learned. I want to share it with you guys as much as I can. So this is a little something that I learned a while back and I use it a lot. And what it is, it's a cold hammered technique. I'm going to take just raw, regular strap steel. This is just strap metal that you buy at your local hardware store. And I'm gonna give it a decorative hammered look, and I'm gonna do it a cold hammered look. Even though it's gonna look like it was forged, it's a cold hammered look, and it's really, really simple. You need a ball peen hammer, you need a piece of metal strap, and you need some kind of anvil, some kind of surface to hammer on. This is just a piece of railroad tied here, but you can use your vise or any other surface that's good and heavy. But it's as simple as using the rounded end of the ball peen hammer and hammering along the edges of the strap steel, like this. Doesn't take much work, not a lot of energy, but the end result is beautiful. You can see that right there, and that's what it looks like. On a future episode, I'm gonna show you some techniques for antiquing and bluing that. Have fun.